How to pay with Afterpay on Amazon 2025 method. Most people get this wrong. They think you can simply select Afterpay at checkout on Amazon and be done. The surprising truth about using Afterpay on Amazon in 2025 is that it's not as straightforward as other payment methods, but with the right approach, it can make big-ticket purchases much more manageable. Today, we're going to break down the exact step-by-step method to pay with Afterpay on Amazon, tips to avoid pitfalls, and strategies to stretch your payments while staying debt-free. By the end of this video, you'll know how to link Afterpay correctly, which products are eligible, how to manage your installments, and insider hacks to make the process smooth, secure, and efficient. Let's start with the basics. Afterpay is a buy now, pay later service that allows shoppers to split purchases into interest-free installments, typically for payments over 6 weeks. Many retailers integrate Afterpay directly on their checkout pages, but Amazon does not natively support it in 2025. That doesn't mean you can't use it, it just requires a workaround using gift cards or prepaid methods. Now, let's talk about why people get it wrong. Most shoppers try to select Afterpay during Amazon checkout like they would on other websites. Unfortunately, Amazon's native system does not include Afterpay as a direct payment option. If you attempt this without preparation, your payment will fail or you'll accidentally revert to a credit card or bank account. That's why understanding the correct method is essential. Now, let's talk about the workaround. The most reliable method in 2025 is to use an Afterpay-linked Visa, MasterCard, or prepaid card, or to purchase Amazon gift cards via Afterpay. Here's how it works. Step 1. Sign up or log into your Afterpay account. Make sure it's verified and linked to a valid debit or credit card. In 2025, Afterpay accounts are easy to manage via the app or website. Step 2. Purchase an Amazon gift card through a retailer that accepts Afterpay. Popular options include Walmart, Target, or other online stores that support Afterpay for gift card purchases. You can choose the gift card amount that matches or slightly exceeds the purchase you plan to make on Amazon. Step 3. Complete the gift card purchase using Afterpay. The payment will be split into 4 installments automatically. You'll receive the gift card code instantly or within a few minutes. Step 4. Log into your Amazon account and redeem the gift card. Enter the code in your account to load the balance. Step 5. Make your Amazon purchase using your gift card balance. The cost of the item will be deducted from the gift card, effectively allowing you to pay with Afterpay indirectly. Now, let's talk about managing installments. Afterpay divides your payment into 4 equal installments, with the first 2 at purchase and subsequent payments every 2 weeks. In 2025, the Afterpay app will send reminders and notifications, helping you avoid missed payments. Staying on top of installments ensures you enjoy interest-free payments without late fees. Now, let's talk about product eligibility. Not every product is ideal for this method. Digital products like Kindle content, subscriptions, or some third-party items may not allow gift card redemption. Focus on physical goods with standard shipping options. Always verify the item's return policy before purchasing, because returns will affect your Afterpay installment plan indirectly. Now, let's talk about tips for avoiding pitfalls. Tip 1. Only buy gift cards from trusted retailers that officially support Afterpay. Using unofficial channels can result in invalid codes or processing delays. Tip 2. Ensure the gift card amount covers the total Amazon purchase plus taxes and shipping. Partial payments can cause confusion and may require additional payment methods. Tip 3. Track your Afterpay installments and set reminders to avoid late fees. Even though Amazon is a safe platform, missed Afterpay payments can negatively impact your account. Tip 4. Check Amazon's policies on gift card use. Some items cannot be purchased entirely with gift card balance, especially if promotions or subscriptions are involved. Now, let's talk about alternative methods. If you prefer not to deal with gift cards, you can link a virtual or prepaid card that supports Afterpay payments to Amazon. Some digital cards allow you to fund them with Afterpay, creating an indirect way to pay for Amazon orders. While slightly more complex, this method offers more flexibility for multiple purchases without buying multiple gift cards. Now, let's talk about real-world examples. Consider Sarah, who wanted a $300 kitchen appliance on Amazon but didn't want to pay the full amount upfront. She purchased a $300 Amazon gift card from a retailer supporting Afterpay. The gift card payment was split into 4 interest-free installments, and she redeemed it on Amazon to complete her purchase immediately. She enjoyed her appliance while paying in manageable portions over 6 weeks, without interest or hidden fees. Similarly, Mark wanted to buy video games for $200. Using the prepaid card method funded by Afterpay, He loaded his virtual card with the required balance, paid on Amazon, and spread out the installments through Afterpay. Both strategies allow them to use Afterpay on Amazon effectively in 2025. Now, let's talk about advantages. The main advantage is splitting large Amazon purchases into interest-free installments, making budgeting easier. This method also avoids credit card interest, improves cash flow management, and allows shoppers to take advantage of Amazon deals immediately without waiting to save the full amount. Now, let's talk about potential drawbacks. The main drawback is the indirect process. It requires extra steps like purchasing gift cards or setting up virtual cards. There's also a risk of overspending since separating payments can make it easier to buy more than your budget allows. Additionally, missed Afterpay payments can incur fees and impact your credit history in some regions. Now, let's talk about tips to maximize benefits. Plan purchases according to your budget and Afterpay limits. Buy gift cards in amounts that cover your planned purchases precisely. Keep track of your installment schedule and use alerts or calendar reminders. Avoid using this method for subscriptions or recurring Amazon services, as it complicates Afterpay payment management. Now, let's answer the big question. Is it worth using Afterpay on Amazon in 2025? Yes, if you understand the workaround and manage your payments responsibly. The method allows you to spread out costs, avoid interest, and make large Amazon purchases more affordable. However, it's not a direct integration, so careful planning and attention to installments are essential. Here is the surprising truth. Most people underestimate the convenience of gift card and prepaid card methods with Afterpay. When executed correctly, they allow shoppers to access any Amazon product with the same benefits as direct Afterpay usage on supported retailers. Flexibility, interest-free payments, and budgeting control. So let me ask you something. Do you want to miss out on big Amazon deals because you can't pay upfront? Or do you want to use Afterpay strategically to manage your purchases and payments efficiently in 2025? If this guide helped you understand how to pay with Afterpay on Amazon, hit the like button so others can learn these strategies too. Subscribe for more step-by-step financial hacks, and comment below what's the first Amazon purchase you split with Afterpay. Smart shopping is about flexibility, planning, and making large purchases manageable, and in 2025, this method gives you exactly that.